What's up you guys, and welcome to today's video. Today I have a special one for you guys. Today we will be unboxing the new Pixel Fold. So first things first, I swear on videos this box looks massive, but in person it actually does not look that big at all. But let's go ahead and take this out. And I also got a case for the Pixel Fold case. We'll put that aside. Now you guys know this is a first gen product. You know, it's I mean, foldable phones are nothing new, but so first things first, the box is actually really nice. You feel like you're getting a quality product. I mean, obviously if you're paying $1,800, you know, you expect nothing less. But let's get right into it. So right here you'll have two tabs when you get your Pixel. And just take that off. Take this off. I'm gonna flip it around, and now let's let the magic happen. That was actually pretty dramatic. We'll put this to the side, and here is the Pixel Fold. It's a little heavy, I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it's maybe because I've been using the iPhone 15 Pro Max, but yeah, it's a little heavy. Let's see what else you get in the box. So right here, you know, it tells you, and this is actually really important, do not remove the pre-installed screen protector as it can cause damages. Guys, do not remove that, because I'm pretty sure if you were to remove it, it would definitely void the warranty. So that's always one thing to keep in mind. Let's see what else we get in this box. These feel kind of heavy, so I thought there was something in here, but nah, nothing at all. You know, here, you know, your usual Google Pixel stuff. You know, you get the SIM card. This phone can actually do eSIM as well, so you know, up to you guys. You know, the warranty and all that good stuff that nobody ever reads. Here we have the USB-C to USB-C charging cable. Unfortunately, even though you're spending $1,800, you do not get a brick, which I think is honestly pretty dumb on Google's part, but you know, yeah, I guess they have their reasons. And then also here is the adapter that you'll use to transfer your data from one phone to this phone. And that's pretty much all you get in the box. Now for the main event. God, I swear to God, guys, the first thing you're gonna notice is that this, I wouldn't say it's super heavy, but like coming from like, you know, the 15 Pro Max with the new titanium, wow, that's a sexy truck right there. Like this feels super light, even with this beefy case. But yeah, you'll notice that there's some weight to this. And I mean, it's good because, you know, usually weight indicates premium, at least most of the time. But stop wasting you guys' time and let's get into it. And let's peel this off. Oh, probably did this wrong from the get-go. Oof, that hinge is actually really strong. Wow, I swear guys, this feels super, like, I don't even know how to describe it. It just feels super premium. I've never had a foldable phone, so this is new to me, but it actually feels really cool. Wow, this feels premium. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Powered by Android, you already know. Ooh, this feels like, you know, this is like my first foldable. I don't know, there's something to this. Like, it just feels really good in the hand, really premium. Wow, I like this. Like, it's not glossy anymore, so that's actually really great. The screen, I don't know guys, honestly I'm loving this phone so far. Welcome to Pixel. Let's get started. Let's see how it looks with the screen. Wow, I swear to God, like, I already watch a lot of YouTube videos, so I feel like this is just gonna I mean, it's gonna improve my, you know, YouTube video and you know, everything. Obviously that's why we bought it, but I don't know guys, this just feels so premium. But wow, I really like how this feels. Let me just plug in my Wi-Fi. But here it is, and I have to say, you guys, like, so here's the fingerprint sensor. Like, honestly speaking, this front display, it's like, if you usually don't get the bigger phones like a 15 Pro Max or the, you know how we used to have a Pixel 4 and then a 4 XL. This is equivalent to like the size of a regular 15 Pro or a regular 15 iPhone or a regular, you know, the smaller size phone of the bigger size brother. Okay, so just so you know, you get your USB-C right here, and then, you know, for your SIM card, you have your volume up and down, your lock, and this is also where you can unlock it with your fingerprint. You can also unlock it with this camera, like kind of like how Face ID works, but that's also something to know. You also get another camera right here. So for example, this camera, let's try to swap it. So this camera right here, which is right up here, and this is kind of, you know, how I usually record my videos, just in case you guys didn't know. And then right here, you have your triple camera setup, you have your flash, and then you have your Google logo right here. Really nice thing that they did with this back. Like, I hated the glass that was always on there, but this right here, like, you know, I'm telling you guys, this is a premium. You also get that front facing camera right there for all your selfies and good, and video recording is not. Now, let me tell you guys, like, I just like this right here, like, believe it or not, like, I thought it was gonna feel like, oh, you know, they're probably doing that just so that, you know, they can use the inside screen more. But like, this layout, honestly speaking, it's like I don't know if you guys can hear my accent through my voice, but like, this is insane. Remember, I've never had a foldable. I've looked at them, I've played around with them, like, nothing really ever caught my eye. But this phone right here, it's like, look at it, like, it's just perfect. I mean, I don't want to get carried away because, you know, I do have to do my review on it, and I will let you guys know what I think about it. But like, look at this, guys. You open this up and it's like you're in like a whole nother world. Like the possibilities just seem endless with this type of phone. Just go to MKBHD because, you know, we all watch his videos and we all know that the quality is going to be top notch. So let's just do it. So let's see what it sounds like.
Well, I was wrong. So time to own it.
Look at, oh my goodness, guys.
What is a photo? That's a real question that I'm not sure.
The speakers are great.
In this age of
like, the display is amazing.
The latest
like,
questions.
I don't know, guys. Honestly speaking, if you've never had a foldable, I feel like this is the right foldable for you. If you're stuck on the iPhone ecosystem and you want to move from an iPhone to an Android, this is the phone that's going to do it for you. It's different, don't get me wrong. It'll definitely take some getting used to, but like, there's just like, the possibilities on this just seems endless. And I know people were saying, oh yeah, but you know, the Instagram, like, yes, when you get the Instagram like this, it does, there's like black bars here. But if you turn it around and you can use Instagram, you know, however you'd want. Like, I feel like, I don't know, that it's just me. I feel like this phone is like perfect in every way. You guys make sure to go follow me on my Instagram. Like, I don't know, like, I just feel like, and then like, if you don't want to use this anymore, just go here, the wrong one, and it leads you into right here. And like I told you guys, like, this screen here, it's like if you had like the smaller brother of the bigger brother phone. That's literally what it is. Let's see if, I know that they say that the camera is, you know, like, you're gonna see, like, look at the picture, guys. Like, I mean, despite everything in the background, you know, like I said, the possibilities on this it just seems endless, to be honest with you guys. Like, it is like it is like a hard, you know, like, you do have to put some muscle into it. And at first it's gonna feel kind of funny because, you know, you don't want to like try, like, it almost feels like you have to pull on it and you don't want to break it, but believe me, you get used to it pretty quick. But yeah, you know, like, yeah, like, I don't know, I think this is honestly like one of the greatest phones that I've ever seen. Let's see, like, the weather app. I know that the weather app was made specifically for this one. It's just insane. I don't know, it just feels like, hey, like, here's a regular phone that you'll probably use on a daily basis, and then, like, hold on, let me flex on you real quick. Nah, I got this. I'm like a multi-task person, and I'm here to get stuff done. And my messages. But at the same time, you know what, I want to split my screen and I want to watch Netflix at the same time. You could do that.
Great.
Look, you could watch Netflix at the same time while you're texting your people. Like, and if you're done with it, you just flip it over and you're done. I don't know, guys. I mean, I know it's just an unboxing and everything, and I did get the case for it. So, you know, let's go ahead and unbox this case and see like what are we supposed to get, because even though it's premium, it feels like you don't want to beat this thing up, you know what I mean? You want to keep yourself protected. So, I mean, let's see what's inside this box. See how that case looks like. Alrighty, so it's a two-piece case, obviously. And I'm sorry if I'm just unboxing this like probably not the best way out there, but I'm just so excited. All right, so right here on this case, you're gonna have kind of like almost like a glue-ish type of thing. Is it glue? Yeah, it's kind of like glue that you put onto the phone to make sure it's stable like that. Let's just, yeah, that makes you feel a little bit more, you know, robust, I want to say. All right, guys, my bad. A little technical difficulties put on this case, but actually this case, I thought I was gonna hate it, but it's actually really good on the hand. It makes this feel a lot more sturdier. Like a daily, like going to my job and whatever, like I'll definitely rock this case, and it actually makes it feel a lot better in hand. But yeah, we're gonna do a full review on this, just so you guys know, the Tensor G2 on this phone, which is great because, you know, I would try to do all the gaming that I can with this phone to show you guys the performance, see if it drops frames or anything. Right here is a 5.8-inch display. So it's like what you get on like a 14 Pro or 15 Pro Max. And then once you unfold it, you get a 7.6-inch from, you know, diagonal display. Like, just imagine the endless possibilities, or you could carry this wherever you go, and then boom, you got a phone. Fits in the pocket, ready to go. It's ready whenever you are. So yeah, anyways, guys, I know I'm blurbing on for a long time, but I just really love how this phone feels and everything. So yeah, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you guys have any you know, comments or anything you want me to do in the review. If you guys have any questions about the phone, anything really that you guys could think of, leave them in the comment section down below. And yeah, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, morning, night, and come back to see the review. All right, guys, see you guys in the next one. Peace out.